Greeting viewers and welcome to the Pulse of Knowledge, Satpura News. I am Asta.
And I am Shreyas Santosh Bhagat, your companion on this accelerating journey through the tales of brilliance and achievement. With the passion of storytelling, we are thrilled to be your guides and through the highlights and triumphs from our dynamic school.
Let's move on. Incredible headlines. The headline first: Radiant Stars meet our students of the week.
Rights in the Spotlight, a dynamic human rights day extravaganza.
Fruity Pizza, pre-primary colorful extravaganza.
Voices and Voices, seminar on the poetry brilliance.
Cosmic Champions, ISRO Vibha trials, unleash stars.
AI debates at Satpura Convent, Boon or Bane.
Great
Third and fourth.
thrilling tour adventure. Now let us see in brief. Let's kick our journey by illuminating the biggest stars at Satpura News. Here are the stellar students of the week. Miss Pallavi Shirekar, third Earth. Kalyani Javanjar, third Moon. Tanmay Shirsate, fourth Mercury.
युवराज भसाड, 4th Venus. राम तेल्लारकर, 5th Mars. रुग्ना गावंडे, 5th Jupiter.
Vedant Ghate, 6 Newton. Ishwar Bhagat, 6 Einstein. Janvi Rajankar, 7 Tesla.
दामिनी बगाडे, 7th Edison. प्रणीत यौल, 8th Photon. And श्रेया गाडगे, 8th Quanta.
Shruti Mandare, 9th Proton. Vaishnavi Wankhede, 9th Neutron. Shruti Wankhede, 10th Boson.
सलोनी जायसवाल, 10th Hydron. Rights in Spotlight, a dynamic human rights day with extravaganza and with a special speech. Shifting gears to a celebration of principle and unity, our school recently witnessed a dynamic human rights day extravaganza. To add a special touch, Mr. Arpit Bharsakre delivered an inspiring speech elevating the celebration to new heights. It wasn't just a day of festivals, it was a vibrant tribute to the essence of the right and equality.
Headline third, Fruity Fits, the pre-primary colorful extravaganza. Now let's step into the world of vivid imagination and creativity. Our pre-primary students recently hosted a delightful fruit festa, transforming our school into a tropical paradise of colors, joy, and fruity fun.
Verses and Voices, student seminar on the poetry brilliance. Transitioning to the realm intellects, Satpura News echoed with Verses and Voices during a brilliant seminar on poetry and poetic devices. Our students showcased their literary prowess and add to the charm. Master Arpit Bharsakre delivered a speech that left an indelible mark on the event.
Headline 5th, Cosmic Champions, ISRO Vibha triumphs unleash stars. Raise yourselves of cosmic brilliance. Our students scored to new heights in the ISRO Vibha competitions. Miss Bhagyashri Chanda, Master Ishwar and Miss Swarupa Nimkadle left an indelible marks with their remarkable triumphs.
Number 6. AI debates at Satpura Convent, Boon or Bane. Satpura Convent of Scholars recently hosted a spirited debate on the motion artificial intelligence, a boon or bane. The successor, arguing in favor, clinched victory with participants Pandan Wakekar, Pranit Yaul, Shreyas Baringe, Shruti Ingde, Bhuta Date and Mansi Sharma. The achievers opposing the motion presented a strong case but fell short. The event sparked crucial discussion on the multifaceted impact of the AI in our evolving society.
Concluding our thrilling journey, grades found us during a thrilling tour adventure. The students embarked on an expedition to Buldana Swapnanagri Amusement Park, turning their tour into an adventure of learning, laughter, and everlasting memories.
That concludes our exploration at the vibrant events at the Satpura News. Stay tuned with us. I am Shreyas.
And I am Asta. Thank you for joining us.